Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I got this full face in a mystery box from Ulta that my nephew and my sister picked out. My nephew and my sister picked out some great products for me, sent them over from Kentucky, where they're stationed. They are a military family, so I don't see them very often. So I wanted to find a way to bring them and incorporate them into my channel since I love and miss them so much. So I thought, what better way to have fun with a little boy and that sounded bad. So what better way to have fun with my nephew and my sister than to have them send me random makeup and me test it out. This is a beautiful look and I love every single part of it, and it was all a mystery to me. I opened the box and had no idea what I was going to find. If you want to see what products I used to get this beautiful full face of makeup, full beat, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am so close to 100 subs. I can taste it. I have a goal to get 100 subs before the end of August. We're close. Hopefully I can do it. We're not too far off, so don't forget to subscribe. Follow my social medias. Leave a comment, but most importantly, keep on watching to see what products I use to get this full face. Okay, here's the box from Ulta. I pulled my hair back. I'm ready to get in here. I had my roommate take the packaging off and kind of mix this box up for me. My sister said it's got a full face of stuff in there, and she warned me that my nephew was trying to pick out really strange things, so I'm really excited about that. Without looking, I think I'm just gonna reach in. Ooh, all right, let's move this box out of the frame, Jordan. First thing is this Catrice Prime and Fine Aqua Refresh Hydro Primer. I've had my eye on this for so long. Really good purchase by her. I want to get this on my face actually right away because she said there's a full face of stuff in here. And this would be my first step anyway. And it feels amazing. I'm so excited. So my nephew and my sister, all my nephews and my nieces, their dad is in the military. So they move around a lot. So I don't really get to see them too often. We communicate through Animal Crossing and, text, video chat. But I saw these videos going around where blank gets me a mystery box. I'm like, oh my gosh, Liz, my sister Alyssa, make Bentley and you pick out a mystery box for me. So it's my own little way of like connecting and spending time with them. So don't get emotional. I love them. I love them so much. This feels great, by the way. It says it's made with moisturizing bamboo water. It feels great on my skin. It went on so smooth. It feels a lot like the Primerizer. One of my favorite primers from Smashbox. That is probably like 8 times the price of this because this is Catrice, so it's on the inexpensive side, where the Primerizer is so expensive. Okay, the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. It is a setting spray. Love NYX. Me and Liz, my sister, love NYX. It smells great. Super excited for this. Another great find. The e.l.f. Eyebrow Pencil, Insta-Lift Brow Pencil. Again, I'm filming with natural light. I might have to switch to artificial light soon. So if the lighting keeps changing, I'm so sorry. But just bear with me. I'm really trying. So I haven't used this e.l.f. pencil before. Okay, nice. Perfect color. Not too smooth and creamy. Nice spoolie. Love this. I Heart Revolution Peach Shaped Highlighter. It is in Tasty Peach. Talking about butts over here. It's probably where my sister was going with that one. But it's in this little like box packaging. It smells so fantastic. Just like peaches, but it looks like a beautiful color. Look at that sheen. So excited to get this on the face. Revolution Loose Powder Infinite Translucent loose powder. Looks like this. Okay, first of all, beautiful packaging, but it's just a loose powder. Ooh, look at the little tray here. Oh, it's got one of the sponges probably. I just inhaled so much of it. Oh my god. Gonna be trying this. I'm gonna be trying that today. Chili pepper palette. My nephew was telling my cousin wanted to get me the cheeseburger one. So it looks like they went with a chili pepper palette. Packaging, awesome. It's like rubber and raised. It's like really pretty. It's big too. And the colors are gorgeous in there. Ooh, they feel really good. What? Look at that pigment. Look at that. Excuse me? Oh my god, that gold. Thank you, Alyssa and Bentley. That is amazing. Super excited for this, let me tell you. Oh, it's the Pretty Fresh ColourPop Hydrating Foundation. Oh yeah, I was gonna buy this for myself. It's the one with hyaluronic acid in it. This is so exciting, it feels like Christmas. I'm so excited for this. I wanted this so bad. It was sold out last time I looked, so nice. Okay, it's a Milani Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon. Ooh, she knows I love a good lip crayon. And what a stunning color. And a Lottie London blush. Oh, next the Lash Freak by Urban Decay. Cute little green packaging. Look at that wand. Holy, what in the world? I know why they call it Lash Freak because that wand is not normal. Bentley, you got me the cheeseburger palette. This is their grilled cheesy revolution. Oh, look at that. Oh, ew, it's like squishy. And here's the shades. I kind of like it, but it's like undeniably strange. I definitely know who picked this one out, this cheeseburger palette. It comes in this cute little, like, literally burger box. Like, here's your burger, ma'am. Well, I am so excited for that. And there was one other thing in here, and it is the Revolution Conceal and Define, my top 10 concealers. And without further ado, let's get this stuff on my face. All right, super excited to go in with this foundation. Hopefully it's my right shade. It's a it's very light. Uh-oh. Let's blend this in and pray we can make this work. We might have to do a little bit of a return. Oh no. We're gonna roll with it for the sake of the video. Maybe I can get it to work. It's like throwing off the white balance on my camera. It's so white. It doesn't look that light in the bottle though, so it's really kind of strange. I actually think it looks pretty nice, even in the mirror. Alright, we'll check on the color, but so far, love that. Great job, Listen Bentley. Next, let's pop on our Revolution Conceal and Define. Love this stuff. This stuff is fantastic. Alright, Revolution powder that almost killed me. Hopefully this is a real translucent, so it doesn't make me lighter. My two favorite people in the world are my sister and Bentley, her firstborn son. Super excited to be able to do this, you know, like a little thing with them. It's pretty exciting for me, I'm not gonna lie. We were all supposed to go to Disney World this November, but with COVID, those plans were canceled. And I was gonna do a get ready with me in Disney World with Bentley. And, well, this is what I have to settle for. So the only thing Liz forgot is the one thing that I need, and that would be bronzer. So let's see if I can bronze up the skin. All right. I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get. I think it looks fine. Let's move on to blush. They did get me this Lottie London blush in the shade Serene. Looks super beautiful. Never used this blush before, but like I said, I'm a huge fan of the clear acrylic packaging. I think this was a list pick. She knows what I like. It's actually a lot more pigmented than I thought. So let's tone this down a little bit. Really pretty. I like this. This is good. I like that a lot. Next, let's go into probably the best pick. This peach, tasty peach highlighter. And it is so beautiful. Look at that. And with my finger and just get a... I am about to glow. I am ready. Not to mention it smells delicious. Oh my god, oh my god. This was a great pick. Liz has been one of my biggest supporters when it comes to starting my YouTube channel. She's always been there, watched all my videos. Appreciate you. This is beautiful. Let's set all this down. Oh, what a good mister. Put a little bit on my damp. This, I gotta go. This is beautiful. Best purchase so far. Great job, Liz and Bentley. All right, I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back. All right, eyebrows are on and definitely a little thick. This brow pencil is kind of difficult to use because it's like chubby, you know, whereas a Precise brow pen, also from e.l.f., is like super itty bitty, teeny tiny. So definitely the color went on a lot more vibrant, but I still kind of like how it looks. It gives me like a nice big bushy brow look, and I kind of dig that. Okay, now's the moment of truth. I get to use this burger and this hot tasty chili palette. I'm gonna go into both of these. Let's go into this delicious looking burger palette first. It kind of freaks me out, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so palettes that look like food kind of freak me out. Like, I know there's like the pizza palette, there's like a taco palette. I'm now seeing a burger palette. See if this bad boy is just a gimmick. Okay, there's some pigment there. If you know me, you know I hate, with a capital H, ketchup. Hate the smell, hate the look, hate everything about it. So I will never use the reds in here because it reminds me of that. Okay, come through, cheeseburger, come through. Now that we got this super kind of orangey yellow shade down, I'm gonna pause and go into this bad boy. I'm going to go into red hot. This right here. I have to go into it on this one because I will not touch the other one. Reminds me of ketchup. Ooh, there is pigment on the brush. And she's red. So I've never used Revolution eyeshadow palettes before, and they're pretty pigmented. They are pretty pigmented. I'm going to get this red on the other eye, and I will be right back. Well, I'm impressed. When you see things like a cheeseburger, to me, I think gimmicky and like it's not going to work. Kids makeup, pretty much. Look at my eyes. I mean, I'm a red devil. Next, I'm going to go into this palette again, into this dark chocolate shade right here called Flames. And I mean, the pigment is crazy. I'm just gonna very softly, very lightly put that on my outer corner. Okay, next, I mean, we gotta go in with this gold. This gold right here called Contest feels like a high-end shadow, and you already know I'm going in with my finger, and gag me. Like, honestly, gag me. Look at that. Look at that. That is insane. Insane pigment. The shimmers in here are way more bomb than I ever thought they would be, but the mattes, I have nothing bad to say about them either. Like, this is a great palette. Both of these, the cheeseburger one too. I'm going to take this light gold shade in the cheeseburger palette, do my inner corner. So whereas the mattes in this palette, the cheeseburger one, seem like they're the way to go. The shimmers feel a little lackluster. Let's swatch a few. Believe it or not, they look okay, but let's see. It's like these would need to be wet and before they're used. Like, I can already tell the difference of those with the ones in the hot tamale palette. The hot, or no, what do I keep calling this? Tasty chili. The tasty chili palette. These ones in the burger palette need to be wet. Drying. Let's go in with this Milani lip. This probably will not match. Love a good lip crayon. It's actually my preferred method of lip stuff in the crayon form. Definitely does not match this look, but it is beautiful nonetheless. Let's move on to this mascara. It is crazy looking. The wand is Literally crazy looking. Let's see. I'm going to look down. Let me finish up. I do have some thoughts on this. Okay. Change my mind. The only thing I don't like in the box is this. I don't know if you could tell, there's no bristles on the other side, right? So I put mascara on and I curl the brush as I'm doing it. There's no point in doing that with this. And it put down so much mascara that it made me have one unilash. So I went in with another mascara and fixed it up. But all in all, this looks gorgeous. My hair looks a little insane. Whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a great video and really sentimental for me to film because I miss my nephews and my sister so much. So it was a little sentimental for me. I got to connect with them without them really being here. So I really enjoyed filming it. They picked amazing products. Like, my face looks fantastic. The only thing I didn't like was the mascara. Everything else was amazing. Great picks by you guys. Thank you so much. That's all for this video though. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. Also, don't forget we have a 100 subs goal before the end of August. We are so close. I could taste it. I could taste it like this burger. We are so close. So if you could just hit the sub button, that would mean the world to me. If you want to see me do more virtual kind of things with my nephew, also let me know, or my sister or anybody. I could try maybe get him on FaceTime, a Zoom call, and he could pick the products. You know, I don't know. So many ideas are turning in my head. I love that little guy, so I want to try to incorporate him as much as I can into my videos. But that's all for this one. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Follow my social medias. But that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Okay. Hey, JoJo, I hope you like the I Heart Revolutions Tasty Chili Palette and Tasty Cheeseburger Palette. Thanks for watching.